This hunting technique is called wave washing. B1 killer whales are the only animals on the planet that do it.
Wave washing!
Wave washing! So powerful.
You can see the 3-year-old calf really is part of the hunt, learning how to wave wash from mum and grandma.
Whoa, it's in, it's in.
No, it's back out.
They got it.
They've had to work hard for this meal, so I'd expect them to start eating straight away.
Yeah, it's on the surface. They could have killed this seal already, but they've chosen not to, and it's because they're teaching this little calf how this is done. You know, now the seal is absolutely exhausted. It's putting up much less of a fight. It's a safer experience for the calf to learn in. What's kicking off? Tom, get ready! I do not believe this. The seal has managed to get itself out on a really big chunk of ice that has a lot of depth to it as well. So I don't think the killer whales are going to be able to wave wash this piece of ice. I think this seal has pulled off the impossible. I don't believe this. Now they're biting chunks of ice off. They're chiseling chunks of ice away so that they can reach the seal's tail. They are not giving up. Yeah, the calf's going to get it. Oh, no! No, no.
The crabby is just out of reach, so the killer whales are lining up for one final attempt with their special weapon.
Yeah, wave.
Wave coming.
Oh my word, look at the size of that wave. Seal's in the water. Oh, it's out, it's out. It managed to get on the big berg. Oh, look at it go, what a champ. This time it is on a really big chunk, and I think it is safe. Yeah, the killer whales are swimming away. It's all over.